Hi everyone, my name is Xiaoxian and I'm going to introduce this project today, which is building Disneyland Park in Singapore. I'll show you why Singapore is the obvious next home for Disneyland and where we're going to build it when the gate's going to be open and what it's going to be cost. So here's the content. Let's start with the introduction, why Singapore needed Disneyland. So Singapore already having a Universal Studio, but there's no Disneyland. And zero Disneyland Park opening in Southeast Asia, and only few of cities in the world have these two parks open together. So, here's the point. Singapore is a country all around surrounded by the water. So, opening a Disneyland water park is also a good idea for the Singapore Disneyland. And also the weather. Due to the Singapore is located at the tropical. So opening a tropical session, like kids know the tropical weather, is also a good idea. And then the culture, Singapore is a country very diversity, so it can combine so many cultures together in the Disneyland. So where is Disneyland gonna be built? So first gonna be this is two locations. First gonna be Sentosa Island is already hosting Universal Studio. And it's because it's an island, so it's surrounded by water. It can be recommended as the sea park area, and also the northern Singapore, which have a lot of empty space for Singapore, for Disneyland to open their facility, and also is a border for the Singapore and Malaysia. It's going to be track over 10 million residents from Malaysia to here. And when it's how long? Usually Disneyland will open at 6 to 10 years. And due to the non-rainy season of Singapore, we recommend it start at March 2026 and it will be end of 2033 and 2035 of March. So how much money is going to be cost? So opening a land at Disney Park will cost over $2 billion US dollars, and opening a water park also $2 billion. So the total cost may be over $5 billion US dollars for this, and probably go to top of the $7 billion. So here's the conclusion. Disney is a missing castle for Singapore skyline, and then which is ready for money lined up and the region hungry for the magic. The only thing left is the green light. Approval today, and in 2033 we are standing inside of the castle together. Thank you.